and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about my chicken coop. I haven't got the chickens yet, but my dad is building the chicken coop, which I'm really excited about. So far we've got a little bit done on it. He's just been working on it today. So here's kind of what it looks like. Zoom in right there. Right here is the chicken coop. Sorry. There's my dad. Here's our garden. There's my dog. Right here. So let's just go on over there and see what he's doing. So before we do that though, I've decided that I'm going to be doing on my vlog channel, instead of doing it like every day, I'm going to be doing the shout outs every other day, so that I give you guys time to like comment and stuff. But on my other channel, I'll be posting on Saturdays, which gives you plenty enough time to comment, the answer to my questions. So yesterday the question was, what do you do outside when you're bored? So make sure to put that down, the link in the description down below. So this whole video is not going to be about the chicken coop because it's kind of boring, but you know. That noise in the background is him building at the coop. So, I've decided that I'm going to try to teach my dog some like tricks and stuff because he is not trained. So, here we go. Ready? Stay. Up. Come on. Up. Come on. Come on. Up. Up. Good boy. Up. Up. Good boy. Fetch. Good boy. Okay. So, that's all I have for you guys today. I know that it wasn't a very long vlog, but we do have a special guest. Yes, he's back. He's ready for action. So yeah, I still have him. No, kind of weird, but yeah, that's really exciting news, I guess you could say. But Franklin. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment down below what's your favorite thing to do outside. Sorry, this is a really bad angle. My favorite thing to do outside is probably play with my dogs. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below to get a shout out. Do the same thing on my main channel, Miss PJ, to get more chances. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.